What if I told you that your time problem isn't actually a time problem? Most people believe they need more hours, more efficiency, better calendars, tighter schedules. But what if the solution isn't adding more, but creating space? Today, I want to share a Japanese concept that changed how I think about time completely. In Japan, there's a word that has no direct translation in English. The word is ma. Ma means the space between things, the pause, the emptiness that gives meaning to everything around it. Think about music. The notes are beautiful, yes, but without the silence between them, there is no melody, only noise. This is ma. Japanese architecture uses ma intentionally. A room isn't filled with furniture. Space is left empty, not wasted, but honored, because the emptiness allows everything else to breathe. Now here's what most people miss about time management. We treat our schedules like rooms we must fill completely, every hour blocked, every minute assigned. We believe that empty space in our calendar means wasted potential, but the Japanese understand something different. Empty space isn't waste. Empty space is what makes everything else possible. Let me share a story. There was a businessman in Tokyo named Kenji. He was successful by every external measure: good salary, respected position, busy calendar filled with important meetings. But Kenji was exhausted, not physically, something deeper. He had no time for his daughter's piano recitals, no time to read the books stacking on his nightstand, no time to simply sit and think. One day, Kenji visited his grandfather in the countryside. His grandfather lived simply. His days were unhurried, and yet, somehow, he seemed to accomplish everything that mattered. Kenji asked him, "How do you have time for everything?" His grandfather smiled and said, "I don't fill my cup to the top. A cup filled completely cannot receive anything new. I always leave room." That night, Kenji looked at his calendar differently. He didn't add more systems. He didn't wake up earlier. He simply removed. He created gaps, small pockets of nothing between commitments, spaces where he wasn't rushing to the next thing. And something unexpected happened. In those small spaces, life returned. A conversation with his daughter, a walk without destination, a moment to simply breathe. Kenji didn't find more time. He found ma. This is deeply connected to another Japanese concept called Yutori. Yutori means spaciousness, room to breathe. It's the opposite of being packed tight. A life without Yutori is a life of constant pressure, everything urgent, nothing savored. But when you intentionally create margin, you stop surviving your days and start living them. So how do you practice this? Start simply. Look at tomorrow's schedule. Find one gap, even 15 minutes, and protect it. Don't fill it. Let it remain empty. When that space comes, don't reach for your phone. Don't find something productive to do. Just exist in the pause. This isn't laziness. This is ma. You're not wasting time. You're creating the space that allows everything else to have meaning. The great Zen masters understood something we've forgotten. Emptiness is not absence. Emptiness is possibility. A cup must be empty to be filled. A room must have space to be lived in. A life must have pauses to be felt. You don't need more hours. You need more ma. And that begins not by adding, but by letting go. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.